What's going on, everybody? Jake Dalton here with Kaged Muscle. Just about to smash an arm workout. We're gonna do a little bicep tricep going on, so it's gonna be fun. Nothing super crazy, but just get a good pump and kind of break down those muscle fibers a little bit. So got my pre-cage in me. I'm gonna actually have aminos throughout the workout, the amino synergy that I really enjoy. So let's get going. So the first exercise just started with kind of a light warm-up with just the barbell, doing some light curls, just kind of basically activating my arms, getting some blood flow in there, getting ready to go. After that, put a little bit of weight on, did a couple reps there, and you can increase the weight each set if you want, or you can set your weight to just one solid amount and do like 3 rounds of that if you want. I enjoy staying at the same weight, and then sometimes I like switching it up and increasing the weight as I keep going, but more of a personal preference. It's up to you. Today I just stayed at the same weight. So the next exercise was a little bit easier, kind of supersetted with bicep curls with the barbell. I just basically leaned up against the barbell, put my feet out, and did some tricep pushes there. Pretty similar to like a triangle push-up on the ground. You're just holding that barbell, which gives you a nice good grip, and it's a little, puts a little tweak on your wrist, but as long as your wrists are strong enough to kind of hold that, you're good. And it's not super hard since you're angled at kind of an incline, so it's not too heavy, but it's kind of a good way to increase the blood flow into your arms as you're working these exercises. So the next exercise we went to was just some bicep curls with a plate, basically. So you just hold on this plate, you're gonna have less range of motion, so you're just kind of staying activated the whole time. Also supersetted with some tricep extension, so over the head, I try and get a nice straight line with my body, my arms all the way overhead, and just letting them drop down, and kind of you feel the tension in your triceps, and then extend again, doing probably anywhere between 8 to 10 reps depending on the weight that you have. Again, don't go too heavy because this can be a little fatiguing on your shoulders and your triceps, so just be careful and be aware of that. Then the next exercise, I just took 2 dumbbells, put them on the ground, and did that tricep push-up, the close grip push-up, really to activate my triceps a little more. Again, just really trying to generate a lot of blood flow into my arms. For me, I feel like it's a fairly good workout as long as I'm just increasing the blood flow in my arms. I feel like they get a good pump, and that makes it easier to break down that muscle tissue and allow it to rebuild bigger and stronger. All right, another fun one is basically just a dip machine. Normally I do dips on parallel bars or just like a dip like rail, so you can kind of find different variations, but today I used the machine. Just thought it was good to do because I could be really controlled with everything, and I was trying to keep my elbows back so I could just push straight down instead of letting them kind of cock out to the sides. Keep them close, let it come up, and then push straight down, but really trying to keep the tension in the triceps. I feel like this is not only a good exercise to do, almost a good rehab exercise to do, because it's just going to kind of strengthen everything around your elbows and your triceps. So I really enjoyed that one. So for the last exercise, I just really tried to smash out one more curling movement, basically sitting down, resting a little bit above my elbow on my knee, and basically just doing a strict curl from there, both arms obviously. And to make all of these exercises a little bit harder, if you want to superset them or do them in drop sets where you're starting with a heavier weight and dropping to a lower weight right away, it's going to make it extremely difficult, going to make it a lot harder. Your arms are going to fatigue a lot faster, but you will increase the blood flow in your arms a lot faster, and you'll break down that muscle tissue a lot faster as well. So it's up to you. If you want to make it harder, go ahead, superset it, drop set it, do whatever you want, or you could do it the way I did today, just single exercises. All right guys, that concludes today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it, took something away from it. I'm about to go home. I'm gonna smash away isolate and get some recovery tonight. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.